Welcome to Coin Daily, guys, the channel which brings you the newest and the hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about MADDOG.help. MADDOG, coin for a better life of living with pets. First coin to take care of our pets and our love. Our friends should not have to die because of unequal opportunities. All animals should be entitled to vaccinations regardless of whether they are owned or homeless. Healthy pets for our better life. And yes, guys, they have a white paper, and you can see it is a link and it goes to YouTube. How Worst of Rabies short film pre-sale start in 5 days and 15 hours. You can join their pre-sale list if you click this button. And remember, be the first or you will be the last. And the more early you can buy a coin, the better it is. Their coin ratings, it looks very nice. What is MADDOG? MADDOG slang from the Rabies, by the meaning of symptoms of an infected dog. It is a viral infection that is spread because of frenzied canine chomp. However, it is almost all the way obvious rabies infection can be spread by dogs, cats, and other wild animals. The nature of transmission of rabies. Here's the natural host, domestic animal, white animal, and it can go even to us. All the viruses. When we have many viruses on this planet, and one of this token is, or coin is, to take care also of the animals who need help. Humans already get help. What about the animals? And yes, you can read this, the nature of transmission of rabies. I don't want to bore you now with these details, but we connect the intention of charity and technology. It is difficult to say that we do everything for charity, which is impossible. Nevertheless, the beginning of this coin was for the care of our best friend pets. So we are trying to find a connection between charity and the wealth of our MADDOG coin holders. In addition to the main aim of eliminating rabies, we also aim to prevent other diseases that may happen to our pets in the future. Over the long term, we intend to integrate AI and metaverse so that we can better understand our pets, how they behave, their food preferences, their symptoms, and even what they want to communicate. Nice. I think AI and the metaverse, it will be the future. And AI, you will not live without AI in the future. It will be impossible in my point of view. Adaptive, the smart wearable. When it comes to integrate AI and metaverse, we need wearables as a link between the real world and virtual world. We look at the use of glasses or contact lenses. It will be one of the devices that the general public has access to because, in addition to its affordable price, it is also easy to wear and access. The revenue we earn from selling MADDOG coins from our coin sponsors will help fulfill our expectations, and actually in return for our coin holders, when we have done everything we promised, the value of the coin will increase. Every step will be announced clearly and officially. Yes, guys, clearly and officially. This is what we want. This is what we are asking for as investors. MADDOG project. Here you can see pets concerned, healthy pets for happy life. world connected, limitless for reality, and wealthy with reliable increasing of value for every holder. These are their main aims. And yes, if you click here, go to pre-sale, you will come to this website. It is a soft pre-sale. Thank you for interest in our coin. Please keep in mind that you will be able to claim your coin together with everyone from 1st May 22. And the soft pre-sale, yes, copy token address, it starts at 4th April. This is the soft pre-sale. And that's all what you have to do. Please mention that. Remember this in your calendar, the 4th April. Scope of our steps, this is the roadmap. And for sure some pictures how they help this kind of animals. And this is the MADDOG token or coin address. Just copy paste it and you can buy this token, but use please this link, go to pre-sale. Here again, download the white paper if you are interested. They have a white paper for sure also. And you can see here some details. The soft pre-sale is on 4th April and it is just 5 days available. And we have here 2,500 BNB. Is it worth the pre-sale? And the first real pre-sale is on 9 April, which have 16.5 thousand BNB on volume, and the second and third pre-sale they also start. And by the way, in May it will be available for everyone. So be one of the first guys, and maybe you have an already 10x or 100x in the beginning of the May. Token allocation is pre-sale 5%, 10% management, 35% burning, 50% public sale. Yes guys, marketing and sales 25%. That sounds very good, because the higher the marketing sales is, the better it is for the investors, because it doesn't matter how good your product is, if nobody knows it, nobody can buy it, right? So 25% is a very, very good mark in that management allocation. The roadmap, you can read it by yourself for sure. They aim in 24 to have 500,000 holders. It will be nice to see it. Executive team. Here you can see the team: Sasiolan, Bobby Chu, Ed Predit, and Tambusa. Organization for Rabies. We plan to support all these organizations. That is what they want to do. FAQs. Just click here on it and you will have your answers. And I don't want to bore you now with more details. If you want to get in touch with them, write them here in this form. They have also an email address, or just go on their Twitter website. You will see everything what you have to see, what you want to see. 1,100 followers right now, and they have for sure a Telegram channel with over 1,000 followers. So guys, let me know what you think about MADDOG. MADDOG is a good project. I wish for myself that they will go more aggressively into the marketing, and I hope we will hear more about them, because MADDOG is something the world needed, there's a need, and I hope you see it also like this. Tell me what you think about this project. Write it down into the comments. Maybe give us a like for this project, and for sure subscribe to this channel if you want to see the newest and the hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits, guys, and see you later, alligator. Bye.